YouTube is changing something again. That's right. They're changing how views are recorded. So, what exactly is going to be happening? Well, for long form videos and lives, they're changing things to match shorts. So, what is going to happen is instead of the first few seconds counting as a view, like when you watch a video, you have to watch a certain amount of time until it counts as a view, or what is now going to be called an engaged view. So an engaged view is a view in which people continue to watch. But now they are going to change it so that once you just view the first frame of a video, it counts as a view. Yeah, so what's going to happen is we're going to have some increased view counts. Like so many channels, well, pretty much all of them, are going to have an increased number of views. Views are going to increase more quickly, which is interesting because, well, what the effect is going to be is, well, what YouTube says is going to make channels more attractive to sponsors. Yeah. So why don't we take a look at YouTube's actual announcement. So here we are. This is in YouTube Help. So it said last year they updated how we count public views for shorts to better capture how viewers watch on YouTube. Now we're aligning all other video formats to the same standard for consistency across the platform beginning on August 24th. So a view will be counted the moment a video begins to play from the very first frame. All right. So looking down here, it says we've used multiple view counting systems across different formats. But the people think it's confusing. So we'll keep the original view metric called engaged views in YouTube Analytics Advanced Mode, so creators can see how many viewers choose to continue watching their video. The impact on monetization. This change will not impact creators' earnings or how they become eligible for the YPP. Creator earnings will continue to be based on engaged shorts views and engaged watch hours. So watch hours, yeah, which you can view in YouTube Analytics Advanced Mode. There's no change to eligibility. So the entry requirements will now be referred to as qualified shorts views and qualified watch hours. All right. So you'll see from the 24th, we'll start seeing the new view metric applied wherever views are shown on YouTube. So if you look at the number of views that a video has, now it's going to actually show this new view count. So it's going to increase faster. So we hope that having metric parity across all formats gives creators a clearer picture of their overall exposure and makes it easier to confidently express their true scale and value to brand partners and sponsors. All right. Yeah, so this is going to be interesting. I am very curious to see how this affects the views on my channel, for one thing, but also how it affects RPM. Now, as far as I understand it, RPM, or this is revenue per 1,000 views, will only be, like the view part is only going to be the engaged views. So not the new view count. The public view count is not the engaged views. So we're not going to be seeing how other people's channels are doing in terms of engaged views, just that public view count. Again, I'm really curious to see how this is going to affect it. So basically these 1 second, no, it's not 1 second, 1 frame views are not going to count towards the, well, it won't count towards watch hours. It won't count towards a view in terms of monetization. Okay, so usually when you start a video, you get ads, right? So as far as I understand it, this is basically what is now going to count as a view is when you hover your mouse over a video and you start to see it moving. I believe that is partly what this is going to be counting towards. They already do that with shorts. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how this works. I'm just curious, what do you think about it? If you are a YouTuber, I think this would impact you more. A viewer is not going to really see much of anything. So if you're a viewer, then a lot of this is just going to be stuff that you really don't care about, to be honest. So this is really only interesting for YouTubers themselves. So if you're a viewer, are you still watching? Let me know in the comments below. But anyways, what I'd like to know is, what do you think of this change? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Let me know. If you like videos like this, would like to see some more, then please consider subscribing to this channel as well as my main one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.